Today I'll be making honey glazed chicken, and it's especially for all you chicken wings fans out there. So these are the ingredients that I'll be needing. I'm using 8 chicken wings that I've cut into half a teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of ginger juice. Right, so first you just add salt to your chicken wings. Then add in your white pepper. Dark soy sauce. Your light soy sauce. Honey. Ginger juice. Fish sauce. And your oyster sauce. So it doesn't have to be in any particular order, just add it all in, then mix it. You want to make sure that you really get each chicken wing well coated in the sauce. Don't leave any wing out. Then once we are done with that, we can pop it into the refrigerator for 4 hours. After 4 hours, on a tray, we can add all the chicken wings on top. Place it in whichever way that you want to. Then just pour the sauce all over. If it's messy, it doesn't matter. Yum! Alright, so now we can pop it into the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. And there you have it, folks. Honey glazed chicken baked in the oven. The marinating may take quite some time, but come on, it is so worth it. Succulent and yummy.